So guys, right now I'm planning to select JSW stock and let's see how the stock will perform. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 17th of September and before you see our pre-open market, let's see the SGX Nifty how it is performing. So it's at 17,699 now, so 0.53% up, and now our pre-open market has opened at 17,709.65, 0.45% up. Advanced stocks are 48, declines is only 1, and unchanged is only 1. So SBI Life with 1.53% up and ITC with 0.98% up, and the gap down opening stock only 1, that is Infy with 0.31% down, and ONGC with unchanged. So this is how the pre-open market has opened. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, right now I'm planning to select JSW stock and let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, right now planning to enter short sell on JSW Steel in the market level around 694.60. So around 75 we short sold now. So let's wait for the stock to come down now. So guys, there was some support level at 685 somewhere around there. So you can see that support level is now given a breakdown. So that's the reason why I have decided to go short sell on JSW Steel, and I guess it can go up till 1%, but I will book around 0.5% target and exit soon. So that's the safest point. So yeah, now we'll see, we'll wait for the stock to come down. So it will take few minutes, but I think it can be the fast movement also, because it's a 684 rupee stock. So hitting 0.5% should be quick enough, because it's a big value stock, and also you can see there's a lot of volume also which are coming. So the stock is volatile, so I'm just waiting for it to start that movement. So, and also it's almost starting of the market time now. So yeah, I think we should get a fast movement anytime soon. So let's see, let's wait for it. So 684.90685, so it's just fluctuating on those levels, but it should come down is what I feel. So let's see. So anyway, we are in the short sell position of JSW Steel. So yeah, now you can see it's almost touching 684. So it's very volatile now. If you guys can see, almost 50 paisa difference it is going on. In the market depth you can see, and number of sellers are also more, almost 1 lakh more sellers, if you guys can see there. So the movement can start anytime. So I guess once it breaks 684, it will give a fast movement. So yes, you can see here now. So 684 has been, okay, now it's 683.50. So yes, the movement is now faster. 683. So even the sellers are increasing if you see in the market depth. So these are the things which you should observe once you are into a trade. So 682.95. so yes, it is coming down now. So I shall quickly take my exit somewhere around 680 or 681. So as you guys saw, I shorted somewhere around 684.75, somewhere around there. So now we are almost near to 3 rupees of target, if you guys can see. 683 again, so 682.70. you can see how volatile the stock is at the morning. So you should be observing all the things before you enter to a trade, like market depth and how the stock is performing, how's the volume, everything. So I think we'll get that target soon. So I'll just update you guys once I exit that. So guys, yes, right now if you guys can see, the stock is trading at 3681.35. So yeah, it made a low of almost 681 here. And so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of JSW Steel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced, so you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.